A no-carb diet is a very restrictive way of eating that eliminates digestible carbohydrates as much as possible. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy production in our body. They are mainly found in grains, beans, legumes, fruits, vegetables, milk and yogurt, pasta, bread, and baked goods. Therefore, someone on a no-carb diet must avoid most of these foods and eat foods that contain primarily protein or fat, such as meats, fish, eggs, cheese, oils, and butter. Some people who follow a low-carb diet eat nuts and seeds, non-starchy vegetables, and high-fat fruits like avocado and coconut. Even though these foods have some carbohydrates, they are high in fiber. Therefore, they have only a minimal number of digestible or net carbs. A no-carb diet resembles a ketogenic diet, which limits your carbohydrate intake to fewer than 30 grams per day and encourages you to get 70% or more of your daily calories from fat. However, it is important to note that depending on what you choose to eat, a no-carb diet can be more restrictive than keto. The major health benefit of a low-carb diet is weight loss. In addition, a low-carb diet may help control blood glucose levels and may benefit heart health too. Even though beneficial, there is a downside as well. Since the no-carb diet restricts fruits, most vegetables, beans, and whole grains, it can be very low in fiber. Fiber is important for digestion since it helps maintain bowel regularity. Because of this, a no-carb diet may lead to constipation and digestive discomfort. In addition, carbs are your body's primary source of energy. Therefore, a no-carb diet may lead to low energy and fatigue, especially in the beginning. Moreover, a no-carb diet may not provide enough vitamins and minerals, such as potassium, B vitamins, and vitamin C, which are abundant in fruits, vegetables, and other plant foods. Additionally, increased urination that results from restricting carbs may lead to deficiencies in sodium and potassium over time. Eating a balanced diet with a variety of foods can help ensure that you get enough of the nutrients you need. And it is more sustainable than a no-carb diet in the long term. So, now let's see some foods that contain zero or almost zero carbs that can easily be added to a no-carb diet. Number 1, meat. Most types of meat contain no carbohydrates and can easily be added to a no-carb diet. Some of them include beef, lamb, and chicken. In addition, pork and bacon, jerky, turkey, veal, and venison can be categorized as almost zero-carb meats. However, organ meats such as liver can contain a little amount of carbs as it stores them in the form of glycogen. Number 2, seafood. Fish and other seafoods are extremely nutritious and healthy. They are particularly high in vitamin B12, iodine, and omega-3 fatty acids, and many other vital nutrients. Similar to meat, almost all types of fish and seafood contain no carbs at all. Salmon, sardines, and trout can be categorized as no-carb fish, while shellfish, shrimp, lobster, tuna, and cod contain a small amount of carbs but can still be included into a zero-carb diet. Number 3, eggs. Eggs are one of the healthiest and most nutritious foods on the planet. However, they are not completely lack of carbohydrates. A 100-gram serving of eggs contain about 1.1 grams of total carbohydrates, which is not much. They also contain some good quality proteins, fats, vitamins A, B2, B5, and B12, and minerals like selenium and phosphorus. Number 4, some vegetables. Most vegetables are low in carbs. Leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables have particularly low levels, and the majority of their carbs consist of fiber. Some of them include broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, kale, eggplant, peppers, asparagus, mushroom, and tomatoes. On the other hand, starchy root vegetables like potatoes and sweet potatoes are high in carbs and cannot be included into a zero-carb diet. Number 5, some fruits. Most fruits are high in carbohydrates compared to vegetables. However, this does not apply to fatty fruits like avocados or olives. Low-sugar berries such as strawberries are another excellent choice. In addition, grapefruits and apricots can also be added in moderation. Number 6, dairy. These include cheese, full-fat yogurt, and Greek yogurt. Number 7, fats and oils. Many healthy fats and oils are acceptable on a low-carb, natural food-based diet. However, avoid refined vegetable oils like soybean or corn oil, as these are very unhealthy when consumed in excess. Some of the healthy fats and oils that can be added to a low-carb diet include butter, extra virgin olive oil, and coconut oil.